Hey guys, welcome to my channel Artie's Art Mania. This is a channel focusing on being one stop for all art lovers just like me. If you're new here, do subscribe to my channel and join my growing family of art lovers. In today's video, I will be testing out gouache for the first time. I'm used to working with watercolors and gouache is like its brother, so I just wanted to give it a try for a very long time and finally got my hands onto it. I got the Brustro Gouache 24 color set for this. I'll be doing swatches to check out all the colors. First of all, I should say I love the collection Brustro has here. All these are beautiful colors. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. They have lemon yellow, then they have mid yellow, then there is yellow ochre, yellow green, sap green, olive green. One thing that I notice here is olive green is more like the sap green that comes in watercolors and other mediums. Anyway, it's just the name. Then there is Viridian, hot pink. This is one bright rare color. Or maybe I can try mixing it with some other color to get a decent color. Then there is rose, mauve, violet, vermilion, scarlet, crimson, teal, cerulean blue, cobalt blue, ultramarine, Prussian blue, flesh tint, burnt sienna, burnt umber, titanium white, and black. Overall, I find all the colors to be extremely vibrant. They are highly pigmented and take a lot of water. They dry quicker than watercolors. After they dry, they feel quite chalky on paper, yet they don't stick to our fingers. Similar to watercolors, all they need is water to activate the colors. So even if gouache paint dries on the palette, they don't go waste as they can be used again with water. Look how vibrant these colors have turned out to be. One thing that I noticed is that gouache paints are so opaque that they last on top of even the darkest colors such as black. I have tried swatches on black paper as well and they've turned out to be extremely vibrant. I have a strong feeling that gouache will be good for one-stroke painting, so let me try that now. I'll be using my two most favorite colors of the lot, crimson and mid yellow for the flowers. Remember, this is not a tutorial and I'm just going to use this technique of one-stroke painting to try out gouache, so let's get started. I'm taking both the colors in my palette side by side. I'll be using a flat brush for this. At one end of the brush, I'll be applying crimson and at the other end, I'll be applying mid yellow. Then I'm going to paint on the palette back and forth until the two colors on either corners meet at the center. Once that is done, I'm going to dip the brush in water a little to activate the colors. By holding the brush like a pen, I'm going to create strokes back and forth and in an angle to paint the flowers. One crucial difference between watercolors and gouache that I observed is that in gouache, even after the paint dries, when we go ahead with another layer, the existing paint on the paper gets activated again. This makes it a very different medium to work with compared to watercolors. In gouache, we would have to use very minimum water for the subsequent layers so as to not make a mess. I get to understand from other artists that gouache can also be used to work along with watercolors to create great blended vibrant colors. This I will be trying out in a future video. Now I'll be drawing the leaves. I'm just going to use one color for this. This is how this trial has turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Do share, like and comment on my videos. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of my new videos. Happy creating, guys!